Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off web and app activity on Google Maps. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off web and app activity on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And this kind of interface will appear where you can see the your data in maps option available for us. Just above settings, tap on your data in maps, and after this loads, guys, scroll down a little bit, and just below the timeline you can see the web and app activity over here. Now in order to turn it off, you can see it's currently turned on for me as well. Tap on the on button over here, and when this loads, guys, you can see there is the currently turned off button available for us. It's turned on. Now in order to turn off the web and app activity on Google Maps, tap on the turn off button over here, and again tap on turn off and accept these things from the Google account itself, and tap on got it, and again tap on got it. And with that being done, guys, your web and app activity on Google Maps will be turned off or disabled. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off web and app activity on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.